dance drama which is Bharato Bhagyo Vidhata. Let's enjoy. South Group, the stage is all yours.
जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी.
Patriotism. Patriotism is very sacred feeling for the nation from our side. We love and respect our nation, and in fact we consider our nation as our motherland. Patriotism is the main ingredient for a country's independence. Therefore, South Group of Kachapara district is going to present before you our ceremonial display on patriotism, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the first Indian to protest against the custom of Sati Daha Pratha. In spite of protests from Orthodox Hindus, he carried on his propaganda against the custom.
মনে তবে অদূরতীতে সেই আর্তনাদ কৃষ্ণ শ্মশান জ্বলছে চিতা, জ্বলছে মৃত মানুষ, আর চারপাশের ঢাক ঢোল কাঁসর ঘণ্টার উন্মত্ত উল্লাসের নেপথ্যে জ্বলছে জড়ো হওয়া একপাল মানুষের পাশব লোভ।
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Vidyasagar worked to uplift the status of women in India, especially in his native Bengal. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar introduced the practice of widow remarriage and worked against polygamy.
Mahatma Gandhi, along with other freedom fighters, compelled the British to leave India. His policies and agendas were non-violent, and his words were the source of inspiration for millions.
Matangini Hajra. On 29 September, she led 6,000 supporters, mostly women, to capture the Tamluk police station. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was one of the greatest warriors of the freedom struggle of India. She is the idol of bravery, patriotism, self-respect, real heroism, and resistance to British rule. She was the inspiration of the successive women freedom fighters.
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
Khudiram Bose. On the charges of bomb attacks carried out by Khudiram Bose, he was sentenced to death at the age of 19. He was hanged to death on 11th August 1908.
একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি, একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি, হাসি হাসি পরব হাসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী, আমি হাসি হাসি পরব হাসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী, একবার বিদায় দে।
Swami Vivekananda. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world, and is credited with raising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century.
Sister Nivedita was an Irish teacher, author, social activist, school founder, and disciple of Swami Vivekananda.
Sisters and brothers of America.
Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Vishwakavi was a visionary who revolutionized education and literature in India.
বাংলার মাটি, বাংলার জল, বাংলার বায়ু, বাংলার ফল, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক, পূর্ণ হোক হে ভগবান।
Subhash Chandra Bose, give me blood and I will give you freedom. He revived and led the Indian National Army or the Azad Hind Force in 1943 and also formed alliance against the British during the World War II.
Finally, India got independence on 15th August 1947.
And now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially, at the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
প্রায় 2 শতাব্দী ধরে আত্মত্যাগ করা বীর বিক্রমী স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামীদের বহু আকাঙ্ক্ষিত স্বাধীনতা আমরা উপভোগ করছি এবং অহর্নিশি প্রচেষ্টায় আছি যাতে এই দেশ ও মাতৃকার সম্মান ও জয়ধ্বজা অক্ষুণ্ণ থাকে এবং ভারত আবার জগৎ সবার শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লাভ করে। জয় হে জয়তু, বন্দে মাতরম।
জয় হে